Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing things a little bit differently. No, actually, I've done this before. I've done a makeup video, but I haven't done a makeup video in a really long time, and I kind of miss it. So today I tried out a few new products that I got from EC Makeup Bar, and after going to Orlando Carnival and the makeup artist doing a cut crease look on me, I said I want to try this for myself. So today I'm going to be using a few products that I just got and trying a cut crease look.
Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think.
Okay guys, so, these jean shorts. Oh, jeez. Okay guys, I'm all primed and I'm ready to start my cut crease makeup look. I have primer on my eyes and I have a lot of powder underneath to catch the fall down. Now, I went to my favorite makeup place in Jamaica. I went to EC Makeup Bar in New Kingston Business Center, and I got me a new palette and some eye primer to help with my cut crease look. And I got a new foundation. So when I went to Orlando Carnival, I said I wanted to try something different, and they had a makeup artist there for the cast. So I said, okay, I'd like to try a cut crease look with all of the embellishments. The makeup artist was running super late. She made me run late, and the anxiety that I felt, it just reminded me of why I always do my own makeup. So I said, you know what? Today, I haven't shot a makeup video in a long time, so I want to shoot a cut crease video or shoot a makeup video and me trying a cut crease. I know sometimes, you know, going on YouTube can be super intimidating because you're looking at makeup looks and you're like, oh gosh, I don't think I can do it. But today I'm gonna try. This is not a tutorial, I'm trying. The first thing that went wrong is I'm trying a new foundation. I'm trying the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. The color that I got is my color, medium 3 Stromboli. So I'm putting this on and I'm noticing that it's not sitting very well on my skin. So I was wondering, maybe because I use a lot of retinols, that maybe that's why. But then I looked at the ingredients, and the first ingredient is water. I used a silicone-based primer. So I'm not giving this foundation a fair try because I already went bad. Because water and silicone don't mix. So that's why my foundation is not sitting on my face as nicely as I would like. When she tried this on my skin yesterday, because they do have testers at EC Makeup Bar, it looked really good. It looked much better than this. But now I know, so I'm going to be a little bit more conscious of that the next time I put this on. All right, so the color is good. Just have to give this another chance another day. So I find that after every carnival, my skin, like, I wreak havoc on my skin carnival day. With the sun, with the glitter, with the everything. So one of the reasons why I filmed the intro with a full face of makeup on is I was feeling a little bit insecure about the little puffles and pocks that I have on my face. So let's get started because I don't want anybody to screenshot this.
Yep.
I got the Morphie 18 Vava Vavoom palette. Remy helped me pick this one out. Any little fingerprints or anything in there is actually Remy. She was testing out my palette for me yesterday in the store. So with a cut crease, I noticed that they do the shadow look first. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going in with a nice fluffy brush here. All right, what colors am I going to use? Let me use the... Oh, these colors are nice. All right, let me do a brown into this, and then you cut the crease with this. There's too many options, and this is a problem. This is a problem. You're giving too many options. All right, come. So I put a lot of powder underneath for the fall down because I see where a lot of makeup artists, they do the eyes first and then they do the foundation. I have not practiced that just yet. So I put a lot of powder under there just to catch any falling eyeshadow because I do my foundation first. That's what's been working for me, and that's what I've been practicing. So I'm just gonna continue with that. So the color that I picked, I'm not gonna bother with no color, yeah, man. Just whatever. I'm using a flat matte burgundy brownie color, and I'm just working my outer crease. And because this is more like a carnival look, I'm making sure that the color is very dark and pigmented, like it's very full and nice, like you can see the color, not any skin underneath. I want to make sure I have enough product. Now I'm going to go over a little bit with like a couple shades lighter, just to kind of blend and make everybody feel nice and happy. There we go. Oh, this is looking very, very vampy, very, very vampy, but okay, just give it a try, give it a try. All right. I mean, wow. This is a lot, eh? This is a lot. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. The whole eye have on. What is this called? Wow. Okay. All right. Let's give it a chance. Give it a chance. All right. I'm not sure how to end the look over here. This kind of goes down. All right. No problem. We'll just keep going. All right. I'm going to do under the brow. Let's do it with a little sparkle. Wow. You know, you can't get better at something if you don't try. So this is okay. This is all right. I'm trying today. I'm trying. All right. All right, you know what? This is not looking too bad. Yeah, the little glitter. Glitter makes everything better. If I use concealer, like I said, you know, I noticed that the eyes are very, very bright in a cut crease look. Is it concealer that they used and at EC Makeup Bar? The ladies are very helpful, by the way. So they will help you. They'll tell you what's best for your skin, which color. They have testers there. And she said, yeah, they use concealer or you can use this. This is a primer and it is a cosmetic base and it's white. So it will really just show up. It will just show up everything very showy. So here we have this cosmetic base. P. Louise base. Just gonna put a little. And now they paint out their entire lid. I'm just going to. I could tell a little bit about Orlando Carnival. So I had a really good time. I was there filming for my new reality show, Road Ready, where we took 6 cast members who lived in a house together, and just to show like the different experiences of Carnival from the different points of view. So we had the Carnival newbie, Corvea. She's never played a Carnival before, and just to see things from her perspective. You know, we have people from other countries that look on and they're like, oh wow, what are they doing there? So we had Corvea. Then we had a local from the area, DJ Fresh. He's a DJ in the Orlando area. And he had because he's been to Orlando Carnival before as a DJ, he gave us a lot of insight as to what's going on, blah, 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 blah. He was really cool, very good DJ. Then we had the Carnival couple. So we got to see what it's like a couple, the couple arguments and, because me can't play Carnival with no couple. Me can't couple up for Carnival. No, sorry, single. As in, I do it on my own. I could never, I don't know. I don't want to be responsible for anybody Carnival Day. Too many emotions Carnival Day. Can't deal with that. None at all. Hi guys, are you subscribed? Make sure you click the subscribe button, and while you're there, click the like button. The Carnival sweetheart, as I like to call her, Megan. She's from the British Virgin Islands and she's just so sweet, and she plays Carnival all around the place. She was actually leaving from Orlando to go to Atlanta Carnival. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my flat tip brush and I'm going to start packing on some glitter color. I'm going to use 2 on my lip. Then we have Carnival Bay Letitia, who she's just like the Carnival guru. Her page is all about Carnival, tips for Carnival and fetes and stuff like that. She was really, really cool. Oh, in the Carnival couple is Marissa and KJ. They were really cool. I really enjoyed the company of everybody in the house. Did I leave out anybody? We have Corvea, we have DJ Fresh, we have Marissa, we have KJ, we have Letitia, we have Megan. That was the 6. So it was a lot of us to get ready that morning, and the makeup artist was taking so long. She took, and that's the thing too. If you are an artist and you can't do something, don't say you can't. Because we asked her, we said, can you do 5 girls in 2 hours? And it was just to do eyes. Where the girls can do their own base. I think 1 girl was to do her full makeup. And an hour and a half she took on 1 girl. If you want people to pay you what you're asking, then you have to be honest with what you can deliver. You know what I mean? That's not fair for you to say, yeah man, I can do 5 beautiful faces, beautiful eyes in 2 hours, and then you can't. And then at the end of it, you're gonna be like, oh, why didn't you tag me? Oh, why didn't you pay me in full? That's not fair. Then you should have been like, you know what? I can't. I can do whatever. I can do 2 faces or 2 eyes within the whatever. Sometimes I just think people are just so unfair. It's you want the money and you want to be paid, which is fine. I will pay you. You tell me a price, I will pay you. But you want me to pay you the price that you've asked, well then you better be able to deliver what I've asked for. I don't think I'm being unreasonable. I don't think I'm being unreasonable at all. So this white primer is just soaking up the color I put on top. I like this. I actually don't think this palette is bright enough for Carnival though. Actually, the pink is. I think I need to play with my colors a little bit more. That's what I need to do. I need to get some more brighter glittery colors. Oh, 1 second. Okay, so what I've done is I've used 2 glittery colors and I put the darker one on the outside on the lid, and I can definitely see where there's a, you see my cut crease there? We're not doing too bad, we're not doing too bad. Again, I don't think these, or maybe I'm not using shiny ones. This is okay. I think I need to practice this look, which is, you know, as I said, you want to get good at anything, you gotta practice. So now I'm going in with Rice Paper by MAC. Big up to Queen of Blending. If you know, you know. She used to use a lot of this color. So I'm just gonna go right in the corner of my eye here and the other eye. And then I'm just gonna kind of connect. Not connect nothing, but just rub. I think I need to do the, you know what? I think maybe I picked 2 dark colors. I don't know, yeah, man. I'm going to go online and I'm going to watch a couple more YouTubers with how they cut the crease and what palettes they're using. They probably all use it. You can cut the crease with any palette. You know, say I cut the crease with this palette, but I just think I need more glittery colors for Carnival. Alright, I'm doing my thing. I'm doing the damn thing. I found too that doing a little bit of the same shadow under the eye just kind of completes the look. So I'm going to put the darker color on the outside here. Oh shit, no, part of cutting the crease is you go back in with the concealer and do it oh, okay, all right. So I'm going to use my fluffy brush and I'm just going to take off. I'm not doing too bad. I mean, it's not the best, but okay. All right, and then I'm going to put a little bit more concealer. I was also using the Nars concealer. I mean, I just find that's a lot of powder for me to be putting liquid back on top. All right, let me just use a blank sponge and just try drag. Cause I was pretty neat. It's not doing a damn thing though, you know. But just a rub. Maybe, all right. You want that very cutty crease look. Just putting some of the dark color back on the outside to make the line very pronounced. Right, I think we should just stop right there. All right, as I was saying, let me go underneath now and do some under eye stuff. Yeah, also I was talking a little bit about eyeliner card. Damn, I look like a duppy. So the Carnival was actually around and around a parking lot. That to me was very different. And because the parking lot was so hot with all the asphalt, like it was really like the day was super hot. There was no real space for spectators to come and watch us because there were no stands really. There wasn't a lot of trees. It was literally a huge ass parking lot. So any of the spectators who wanted to come or family members that wanted to come and watch, they had to like bring a chair, and it wasn't very conducive to, you know, the kids and the family members who want to come and watch, or the people who are Caribbean and they don't necessarily want to wear a costume, but they want to look and, you know, feel a part of it. And I just feel like it's a little unfair, you know. I'm sure if another group wanted to shut down the street for a parade, they would get all of the permits and stuff that they would need. And yet for Carnival, we're always like, Carnival in the States, it's always like such a pain in the butt to try and get to do anything, you know? Parking lots and noise abatement acts. So there was like, how many trucks? About 6 trucks or so that I counted. Maybe more, maybe less. And then to get into the parking lot, you had to pass like a chain link fence. And at one point, there was 1.5 trucks that hadn't made it all the way into the parking lot yet, and the music was on, everybody was dancing, and the police came and shut off the Carnival because we were making too much noise. So we're like, but you didn't know this was gonna happen? This happened last year, like, you know. And apparently the police were saying that because the 1.5 trucks weren't through the gate yet, they were making too much noise where the permit didn't cover or something like that. So we had to get the last 2 trucks through the fence to turn back on the music. And I was like, that doesn't make any sense though, because when the trucks come through that chain link fence, all of a sudden you won't hear them outside. Anyway, thought it was very stupid. Anyway, it wasn't turned off. Music was on. We got to have a good time. It was just really hot. I'm going to put on some more of this rice paper color here just to get some more white shimmer on the inner corners. I'm going to put on a ton load of eyeliner. Alright guys, I have on my eyeliner and this is where you're gonna start seeing the look come to life. Now that I'm gonna start contouring, and right now I'm gonna go in with some face powder. Being on the show was a lot of fun. I stayed in the house with the cast members, and at first, you know, I was really concerned. I was like, oh my gosh, you know, I hope I don't miss my kids too much. This is a long time being away from them. And I was having such a good time that at first I really didn't miss them. I was just having so much fun just being able to get away. Like, I have not really gotten to take a vacation without my kids. We usually went away for work or to go, you know, spend a couple days to do Christmas shopping, or, you know. This was more like, actually no, I've taken time out before to go to Carnival. Yeah, I take my mom, myself time for Carnival. But anyway, I was just, you know, a little worried. But I had such a really good time. Everybody got along really, really well. And, you know, although, yes, sure, we want drama for the show, we don't want to put Carnival culture on display with people who are super dramatic, so that when networks see it, they're like, no, this Carnival thing looks like it's, you know, whole heap of drama. And, you know, I have to be very careful too how the Caribbean and the Carnival culture is brought across to the rest of the world. I mean, I have a very, very big responsibility. I'm representing all the islands. I'm representing the Caribbean with this show. And it's very important that we are portrayed as, you know, warm, friendly, bright, exuberant people. You know, there's so much to say about Carnival in the Caribbean, and I want all of those aspects to be represented. There's the talent of the people, the costumes that come out of the Caribbean, the designs, you know, how much fun we have, how, you know, it's just, there's so much of Carnival that makes me so proud to be not just a Jamaican, but a member of the Caribbean. And I want other people to see that as well. And I definitely think that you will be able to see a lot of the aspects of Carnival with the cast that we have. Lots of jokes. And then it's a big learning experience as well, because season 2 is coming up. And we've learned a lot, you know, from season 1. So season 2 will be even better. But we just hope you enjoy. You know what's so funny? Like, so these jeans. So I have been approached multiple times from different networks as well. It's the ones that you see, the Bravo, the VH1, the this, the that, whatever. I've been approached multiple times about, they call it Housewives of Kingston and Housewives of Jamaica, or whatever the damn show called, right? The latest one, Housewives of Dubai, where we have a Jamaican on there, and she's doing her confessional in this beautiful ball gown, and she looks so regal and so beautiful, as she always does. And I'm there saying to myself, the last confessional I did was half naked in a Carnival costume, like hair all messed up, and I was like, what would I be doing on a housewife show? Like, that's not my personality at all. That's so not my personality to be like, well, you know, blah 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 blah. That's so not me. And it's so funny when I read comments, or like I know that that's what people think of me because I live uptown. And I'm like, that's just not who I am at all. I don't know what kind of personality they would want. Housewives of Jamaica? What would I be doing in no gown in a confessional? I would love to. The gown thing, she looked beautiful. All the ladies on those shows look beautiful when they're all dressed up. And you see them doing the intro and they're walking in these glamorous gowns. And I was like, oh, that's so not me. But this reality show, this more encompasses more of my personality, things that I love to do. The only thing that, you know, it doesn't encompass about me is the whole motherhood aspect, because my kids aren't there. Which is fine, you know, outside of being a mom, I do have a personality. I do have things that I enjoy to do, I like to do. It's, you know, gotta work and do. But I just thought it was so funny. I was like, yeah, okay. The differences in the show and the personalities is just so funny. I like this look. I don't think I've done it dramatically enough for you to see a difference from when I usually do my makeup. See, look. There's no big difference. All right, I'm gonna keep working at it. Carnival in Jamaica is in 1 month. So I'm just gonna keep practicing every Tuesday when I do my makeup for Tuesdays with Tricky. I'm just gonna do a cut crease look and work on colors within the palette. That could work as I'd like. Because I do enjoy doing my own makeup Carnival days simply because I think it calms me. Alright, now we're gonna bring some light to the face. I'm gonna use my Too Faced bronzer just because the other one is my favorite and it's wasted out. Bronzer brush, and as you could see before, I went in with a cream bronzer before, so now I'm just going on top of it with powder bronzer just to make the bronzing look extra bronzy, make the forehead look smaller, give myself a chin, put some on my ears, just because I usually leave out not doing foundation on my ears and then it looks weird, so just put some powder on there. I know people cuss me all the time and you know whatever, but I hate my nose. I really hate my nose. I really hate my nose. Maybe I get a nose job. My nose is fine like this, but then when I smile it just gets too wide. And you know what? It's okay. I'm allowed to complain about my nose because you know I believe that everybody has a feature about them that they're insecure about, that they don't like, that they wish they could change. I have a lot, but my nose, I don't like my nose. I don't like my nose, and I'm allowed to complain about it. It's my YouTube channel. So I'm trying to make the nose a little bit small at the sides. Oh, I would have done it with a cream bronzer too, but I forgot. So I'm just going in and marking out the sides of my nose, going from the tip of the nose all the way up to my eyebrow. And this is supposed to work. This is supposed to make your nose look smaller. So I just put on a whole heap to make my nose look very small. It's not that I want it to look small. I want it to look more small. Really and truly, I'm just using this and painting my nose and making it darker. No, you can see more of a definition. It's not, doesn't look as flat and pancakey in the sidebar there. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Next up, we're going to use pink blush on the apples of my cheeks, make them look nice and rosy. I was looking back at pictures from like years ago and I was like, why does my face look so flat? Nobody used to do much contour. We're gonna contour, darling. Contour, 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 contour. I'm gonna go in with a blush to go on top of the bronzer and in between the blush. So this is more like a glitter thing, just to connect the two. More makeup, the better. Yeah, we love makeup. Makeup. Put on more. I'm not sure what step this is. Just put on more. Put on more. Put on more. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. So this is called Kajal. It's basically an Indian eyeliner. You can buy this at any Indian store. You can also buy it online. It's just a very, I think it's made from charcoal, you know. It's just a very dark, very creamy, very pigmented. It's ultra strong and waterproof. Anyway, so I just use my Kajal with a angled brush. And I put this on my waterline and on, yeah, waterline top and bottom. And if you get yourself the right Kajal, sometimes you have to try out different ones because some of them do melt and they can melt and just fall down into the creases under your eye. Once you find the right Kajal, it will stay put. This looks nice and rich because it's so dark and it goes on like more pastier than eyeliner. And it does come in a little tip, so you would be able to do this with the Kajal just by like, what do you call it? Bringing it up. But mine is a little older and the top actually popped off when Remy was playing with it. So we're doing just the waterline. I don't like to leave my waterline. You see how that just looks so much more finished and polished? No? No? Okay, don't worry about it. I believe I got this years ago at the Indian grocery in Marketplace. Yes, I know I said years ago. I'm not one of those people that throw out my makeup because like, oh my god, 6 months. Your girl has makeup in here from 6 years. I know, it's gonna make my eye rot out. I'm you keep spending the way you're spending and it's gonna make your pocket rot out. But are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Are you? Alright, so brows are done. Eyes are basically done. I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara. This mascara is $4. It's available on Amazon. It is called Essence Lash Princess. It is so good. So I'm just gonna go in with this top and bottom. It lengthens, and I believe does it add fiber on the end? I don't know, but it lengthens. Well, if it lengthens, it's adding fibers at the end. So I just usually go and put on one coat. I let that dry and then go in for a second coat and vap! Lash Kingdom. And then because this is a carnival look, I'm going to just go over with some super iridescent highlight. I want to see, you know what? I think it's the colors that I've chosen. It doesn't look very carnival-y, but it does look very pretty. So when I next go into practice, I'll use something more like a lighter shimmer color, like a pink. I need to, I don't know what color my costume is, and practice with those colors. See, this mascara is so nice. I'll put the link in the description. It was really inexpensive. I've spoken about this mascara before. What else do I need? Definitely lipstick. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is, let me go in with my highlighter. So for Carnival, I will use my Too Faced. This is like a very iridescent, it looks white. But it comes out very iridescent. And I'm just gonna do on the, that bone there. Right on the top of my cupid's bow on my lip. And down the bridge of my nose. And then I'll just kind of do a mask like right on the top. So it kind of looks like, to me, I call it a mask. Like, alright, so that's that. I'm going to put on my lipstick and just kind of use some water just to get the, not the dirt, the makeup dust out of my hair. And I'll be right back with the finished look. That's it. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed my video of me sitting down, chit-chatting, and doing my makeup. If you have any suggestions down below, maybe there's a video that you watch with an amazing cut crease tutorial, please can you link it down below in the comments. If you like the look that I did, what do you think I could do better? What do you think I did really well on? Please leave your comments down below. I do read them, I do reply, and I do like getting the feedback. So make sure you tell me what you think. Bye guys, see you next week. Hey!